Essential steps to port your number to Mint Mobile. First, gather two crucial pieces of information from your current carrier: your account number and PIN. The account number identifies your account and is typically found on your bill. The PIN is a security code that verifies your identity and prevents unauthorized porting. Once you sign up for a Mint Mobile plan, provide these details during activation through the app or website. This initiates the port-in request to your old carrier. For eSIM-compatible phones, the process is much faster, often completing in just 1 to 2 hours without needing a physical SIM card. While Mint Mobile reports over 95% successful port-ins, some delays can occur. Common issues include incorrect account number or PIN, or carrier congestion. To avoid problems, double-check the information you provide. Mint Mobile will keep you updated on the porting status, and in many cases, you can use a temporary number while the transfer completes. If you encounter issues, Mint Mobile's support team can assist. Remember that porting is governed by FCC regulations, ensuring you can keep your number when switching carriers. Recent trends favor digital-first porting with eSIMs, promising even faster and more seamless transfers in the future.